in today's video, traders will be looking at the under 6 phone strategy, okay? What strategy do you apply when you're trading under 6 with your phone? Not with your tablet, not with your computer, not with your laptop, but with your phone, okay?
Before you continue, I would like to let you know of a good third-party site. Okay, this third-party site has a really good analysis tool. Okay, this analysis tool gives you an easy way to actually analyze the market. All right, so you just basically come here, scroll. Okay, if you're trading even odd, you just come and see the possibility of even and odd. Basically, it makes your work easier as a trader. Okay, if you want some bots, they have some really nice bots here. Okay, you can also use their charts, and they also have tutorials. Okay, so guys, go check this site out. It is called binaryapp.com. Okay, I will link that link in the description. So if you're interested in the app, just go and click that link in the description. Go check them out, test out their materials, and guys, give me feedback on how it will be when you use it. Okay, and now let us get back to the video.
Yeah, so let's get directly into it. Now, the first thing that you should understand when you're trading under 6 is that now the risk is increasing. What do I mean? Anytime you're trading under, the lower you go, the higher the risk you'll start facing. And anytime you're trading over, the higher you go, the higher the risk you'll start facing. Now, when you were at 9, the risk was so low. When you're at 8, it increased gradually. When you're at 7, it increased a bit. But now when you're at 6, now the risk is still increasing. Now we have to be very careful in the strategy that you apply in under 6 because the possibility of you incurring a loss has increased. Okay, yeah, so let us get into the technicality of this strategy. So the first thing when you're trading under 6, okay, in under 6, we are very strict when it comes to percentages, the positions, so please listen carefully. First things first, ensure the green number, because currently you don't have the digit circles in when you're using your phone. Ensure the green number, the number with the green percentage. Ensure it is either 0, 1, 2, or 3. All right, ensure it is 0, 1, 2, or 3. Okay, so ensure the number with the green circle is either touching 0, 1, 2, or 3. And if it will be touching 0 and 1 or 0 or 1 and 2, it will be safer because we want the green number to be as far away from 6 as possible. In fact, if you see the green circle is at 0 or 1, that is perfect because when the green circle is when the green number is at 3, the risk might still be there, okay? It might still be high. So ensure the green number is either on 0, 1, 2, or 3, but the further away it is from 6, the better, okay? So I hope you've all gotten that. Now, the number with the red circle, the number with the red percentage. Now, the red percentage is, okay, in my previous strategies, I've always said that you should ensure the red number and the green number should all be below, but no. Just ensure the green number is either touching 0, 1, 2, or 3. Don't worry about the position of the red number. The red number can be on any number. It can be at 5, 6, 7, 8, or 9, but that doesn't matter. What matters is the green number should be at 0, 1, 2, or 3. All right? Now that is the first thing, okay? Now the second thing, ensure, listen carefully. Now this is the part I want every trader to understand. Ensure 6, 7, 8, and 9 are all below 10%. I repeat, ensure 6, 7, 8, and 9 are all below 10%. I know some of you might end up saying it is hard to find this market. It is very hard to find whereby 6, 7, 8, and 9 are below 10. But yes, it will be hard, but once you find it, it will be beneficial to you. As I said in my previous videos, it is not a must you follow this strategy to the T, okay? Yes, you might trade when all these conditions have not been satisfied, but now you'll be facing a higher risk, okay? Remember, the strategies that you apply in trading are meant to eliminate and reduce the risk that you will be facing, okay? So when I say 6, 7, 8, and 9 should be below 10%, I'm saying that because when that condition is satisfied, as I've said it, the risk that you'll be facing when you're trading under 6 will be quite low, and thus will not be in danger or at risk. Okay, so ensure 6, 7, 8, and 9 are all below 10. All right, so the first condition you have said, the green number should be either be touching 0, 1, 2, or 3. The second condition, ensure 6, 7, 8, and 9 are all below 10%. All right, and the other thing is percentages. Now listen carefully. Listen and listen carefully. Now, 6, 7, 8, and 9 can all be below 10%. Let's say they're at 9.9, 9.5, 9.8. And then you find that the number with the green, the number with the green percentage has its percentage so close to to the numbers above 6. So you can find that the green number is at, let's say, 10.2. All right, and all the numbers from 6 to 9 are at 9.9. You can see the gap is so small. So the possibility of the green number shifting to the position of 6, 7, 8, or 9 and 9 is very high, and thus the risk will be quite high. So listen carefully. Ensure, I repeat, ensure the green number is at least 1.5% away from all the percentages from 6 to 9. So if the green number is at 11.5 and it is positioned at 2, okay, so we subtract 1.5, okay, 1.5, that is 10.5. And as you have said, all the numbers from 6 going up should be below 10, so you go higher. So you see, that will be a perfect market. But if you see that the green number is at 10.5 and all the numbers from 6 to 9 are ranging from 9.5 to 9.7, don't trade that market, okay? You'll be facing quite a higher risk. So ensure 0, 1, 2, and 3 are quite far away from this, okay? Yeah, so ensure the percentage of 0, 1, 2, and 3, all right? Ensure the percentage of the green number that is positioned at 0, 1, 2, or 3 is at least 1.5% away from all the numbers from 6 to 9 in order to eliminate the risk that you will face, okay? Now, guys, another thing. Okay, so I hope you've all gotten that. Ensure the green number is at 0, 1, 2, or 3, and ensure that green number is at least 1.5% away from the percentages of 6, 7, 8, and 9, so as to eliminate the risk that you will face. And once those 3 conditions are satisfied, guys, you are ready to trade. Okay, I will not give you a specific percentage. I will not tell you to wait for the green number to be 12%, to wait for the green number to be 12.5. That will be extremely tiresome to you and it will be very difficult for you, okay? Now, what is the entry point? Now, I'll be revealing the entry point based on people who are using a bot and people who are trading manually. Because some of you commented and said, when I give the entry point, I do not give clearly for the bot traders and for the traders who trade manually. Now, listen carefully. If you are using a bot, and you see that all these conditions that you have discussed have been satisfied, just go to your bot, set it, and run it. Don't do any timing, okay? The bot will do that for you. So just go to your bot, set everything that you have talked about, and run it. And another thing, guys, when you're trading under 6, don't trade with the mentality that when you're trading under 6, you'll incur some losses, but recovering them will be very, very easy. Okay, yeah, so ensure you use use a manageable stake, a stake that you can afford to lose, a stake that will not greatly affect your account so that you avoid blowing your account. So, but if you're using a bot and you see all these conditions have been satisfied, please go ahead and run it, okay? Now, if you're trading manually, now this is where you have to do some timing. That is why I usually say ensure you have a bot. It will make trading very much easier for you, okay? Now, when you're trading manually, this is what you do, okay? Now, as you can see below volatility 100, 1S, there are some numbers which are changing. As you can see right now, it is at 1, 8, 3, and it's continuing to change, all right? Anytime you will see at least 3 digits above 6 have appeared, press under 6, okay? Anytime you will see 3 digits above 6 have appeared, press under 6. What do I mean? Let's say you stay at the last digit, at the second decimal place, and you see it has changed to 7, 8, and 9. Press under immediately. Once you see it has changed to 6, 7, and 8, press under. Once it changes, let's say, to 6, and 8, and 9, press under. Just to ensure it is at least 3 digits above 6, because again, we want to reduce the risk you can face. Yes, you can trade even if it only shows 2 digits above 6. Yes, you can, but remember, we are trying to minimize the risk that you are facing so that you don't incur any losses. Yeah, so just wait for that, for the second decimal place to change to 3 numbers above 6 or even higher. All right, and once it does that, press under without delaying. In under 6 and going lower, if you delay with even 1 microsecond, that is a loss. All right, I'll be making a video on how you should trade volatilities, so that based on different trade types and based on the level of expertise that you have, so as to avoid losses. But as for now, guys, please don't delay. Please ensure you have a good bot. And if you want good bot, I'm here. WhatsApp me right now so that I give you those bots, and so that you don't have to hustle as much. But if you want to trade manually, do this timing, okay? Just wait for 3 numbers above 6 to appear. Any 3 numbers above 6, it can even be 6, 8, and 9, 6, 7, and 8, 7, 8, and 9, and so on. And then you press enter without delaying. Remember, in under 6, if you delay with even 1 microsecond, that is a loss, okay? Yeah, so I'll try and find a good market. I'm not sure if there's a good market right now, but let us look. By the way, every time you try and find a good market, start with the 1S volatilities. Once you lack a good market in the 1S volatilities, you can now shift to the normal volatilities, okay? Now, as you can see in this market, 6, 7, 8, and 9, because you can see 7, 8, and 9, 7 and 9 are above 10, so that is very unfavorable. So you just leave it immediately without even delaying, okay? Now, once we go to volatility 25, you can see 7 is at 12.3, so that is unfavorable. We leave it immediately, all right? We go to 51S, all right? I know it will not be easy to find this market, okay? That is why I told my traders in my classes, ensure you have a lot of strategies in mind, so that in case you're trying to trade under 6 and it is not working, you can change and trade even odd over 2, over 1, over 3, and so on, okay? You always trade the market based on how it is positioned that particular day. All right, as you can see, this was almost perfect because, as you can see, 6, 7, and 9 are all below 10, but 8 is above 10%. And as you can see, the difference between 8 and 1 is quite low. So the possibility of the green number shifting to 8 is quite high. And thus the losses that you might incur can be quite high. So that is something that we should also avoid. So we just change that market, okay? Please remember, ensure the difference between the green number and the number of the difference between the percentage of the green number is at least 1.5% away from the percentages of 6, 7, 8, and 9, so as to avoid the loss that you will face. All right, so let us go to, sorry guys, okay. As you can see in this market, 6 is 13.8. This is in fact very unfavorable. Leave it as fast as possible. So we'll go to 101S. I want to show you, it will not be easy to, okay. So this was also almost perfect, but as you can see, the green number is positioned wrongly, and the percentages of 6, 7, and 8 is good, but 9 is above 10. And the difference between 9 and 5 is quite low. As you can see, the percentages, the percentage the difference in percentage between 5, which has the green percentage, and 9 is quite low. So the possibility of the green number shifting to 9 is quite high, and that is something that you should avoid. So basically, this is how you analyze the market every day, all right? You just come here, shift, asking yourself questions. You tell yourself, today, what market should I trade? Is it over 2? Is it over 3? Is it over 4? Is it under 6? Is it under 7? And then you proceed. All right? In trading, especially in volatilities, you don't just wake up and decide you'll trade even all today. No, you open the market and then you trade the market based on how it is positioned that day. Because some days you wake up and you'll see that there is no perfect even odd market. And thus that day you'll end up trading differs. If you wake up and you see differs is not working, you might end up trading over under. So you always shift. So the important thing is that you understand these strategies. This strategy, okay? Because once you have it, the day that you will see these perfect conditions, you will just proceed and trade, all right? So please ensure you have understood. If you have any question whatsoever, just WhatsApp me. My WhatsApp number is in the description, or comment in the comment section, because sometimes the WhatsApp messages become so many that I end up not seeing some of them. And if you want more detailed answers, please subscribe or just follow our Facebook channel, follow our TikTok channel, and subscribe to this channel and turn on that notification bell so that you don't miss out whenever you upload a new video. All right, but basically guys, those are the conditions for under 6. Okay, I will try and find a good under 6 market and I will show you practically, but I hope you have understood what I've laid in this video. If you have any question, as I've said, please feel free to contact me. Otherwise guys, keep trading, keep pushing. Please make sure you subscribe and turn on that notification bell so that you don't miss out, and please share to anyone who you know is trading in Deriv so that they are aware of this new amazing strategy. Otherwise guys, thank you very much for watching, and let us meet in the next one.